Race number 6. Away they go. Iconic from the outside. Prince Isaiah. Charming Liar on the further outside. Love Story. Hot Racing MP by about 2 lengths. Unequal is running at the tail of the field. Iconic by a length and a half, followed by Prince Isaiah in second. Love Story racing in third by about 2 lengths, running by the rails Charming Liar. Hot racing in fifth by about 3 lengths and a long way back to unequal. And nearing the far turn, Prince Isaiah, Iconic fighting it out for the lead. Love Story by running in third by about 2 lengths. Charming Liar racing in fourth. Iconic once again by Prince Isaiah down on the inside. Love Story, Charming Liar. As they race the final corner, Iconic and Prince Isaiah fighting it out for the lead. Charming Liar on the outside. It's now Charming Liar by about 3 lengths, followed now by Love Story. Hot, moving up by Drell and nearing the finish line. The favorite, Charming Liar. Hot, Love Story, Prince Isaiah, Iconic, Unequal.
3, 2, 6, 1, 4, 5.